Every day we make lean improvements to serve our customers better and to grow and develop our people. We've been doing this for about 10 years and we're making hundreds of lean improvements every single week. One of the questions we get asked a lot is, how do we qualify an improvement? How do we decide if an improvement is a good idea? There's actually a really simple process, and there's 4 criteria for making an improvement. And the 4 criteria is safety, quality, simplicity and speed. We're going to show you a really visual example to demonstrate the 4 criteria for making an improvement. So I'm with Paddy here, and the process that we're doing here is putting these metal D-nut inserts into plywood. This is how we used to do it. So we're using a manual drill. As you can see, there's a lot of strain on Paddy's arms. That's not a really safe process. Quality is probably inconsistent, quite a slow process, and it's probably not a process that Paddy enjoys doing. I'm so excited to show you this new improvement that we've made. So we invested in this second-hand machine. It wasn't a brand new machine, and we used our head and not our wallet. And now Paddy's going to demonstrate how this works. So we have a principle that we say here: when we buy a new piece of equipment or a new machine, that it's the worst it will ever be. The minute we get it, we're improving it. And no better example than what Paddy's about to show us.
We've added a table here so it keeps the wood nice and flat and flush to the wee pin. And we also added in this wee green bracket, got it all powder coated. So this is for 18mm plywood, also the wee Allen key as well for changing out the bit. And we also added in the wheels here to the T-nut machine. So it means now that the T-nut machine is going to be flexible, so we can move it if we ever need to move it. And we added in the pedal here, so now just getting a powder coated green, which is also the color code out in the wood area. And we added in a wee green bracket and also the bin, so it actually looks like it's part of the machine. It's exactly where I do the bulk of the work here, right beside the T-nut machine. So before, also checking the stock for the T-nuts, I had to stand up and actually look in probably 10 times a day, maybe more. Whereas now, added in a mirror, so the mirror now I can see clearly what the stock level is like, and I don't have to step up here anymore.
So if we think about the 4 criteria for making an improvement: safety, quality, simplicity, speed. Is this improvement making the process safer? Absolutely. Is the process improving the quality? Absolutely is, because the D-nuts are inserted into the wood much more securely, which is a better quality for the customer. Is the process simpler? Again, absolutely simpler. Before there was a lot of struggle. You could see Paddy moving his arm, a lot of burden, a lot of struggle. And is this improvement faster? Absolutely. In fact, we're saving 240 hours per year just by using this machine as opposed to the before process. I really want you to understand that this was a second-hand machine that we found online. We got it here, we got it painted up. We're using our head, not our wallet, and we're saving 240 hours per year. And you know, this is the way we think. This is the culture we have at our company. This is where every single person is empowered to make small incremental improvements which improve the process and allow us to serve our customer much better.